So you're having problems with the Inogen G3 concentrator? Well, you've come to the right place. We want you to feel safe and comfortable using the concentrator, so we're going to provide some guidance on the unit's operation and how to deal with battery and power issues you may experience. One of the most important guidelines you can follow is to keep the concentrator connected to a power supply whenever possible, and to save your battery life for when you really need it. So if you're sitting on the couch or binge watching your favorite TV show, that's the time to plug your unit into an outlet and not run off the battery. That way, when you get that call saying family or friends are stopping by unexpectedly, you've got plenty of battery life to run around and clean the house before they arrive. Having the unit plugged into an outlet will operate the unit and charge the battery at the same time. And because the battery cannot be overcharged, there's no harm in having the unit plugged in even if the battery already has a full charge. Now, when you're traveling in the car, always keep your unit plugged into the DC power outlet, also known as the cigarette lighter. This will operate the unit and charge the battery at the same time, saving your battery life for that unplanned stop at your favorite coffee shop. One of the common questions we get asked is how long a battery will last. The answer depends on which flow setting the concentrator is being used. If you look at this chart, you'll see the length of time a fully charged battery should last based on the flow setting. If the battery lasts less time than what is shown here, you should contact your local branch for assistance. One of the common requests we receive from patients is for an extra battery. Unfortunately, at this time, insurance companies only reimburse us for the rental of one standard battery. So even if you beg or plead with us or have your doctor send us a prescription for an extra battery, we're not going to be able to provide you with one because your insurance will not pay for it. Now, if for some reason you just have to have that extra battery, they are available for purchase by going to abriadirect.com. Whenever using the battery to operate the device, you should always be monitoring the remaining life the battery has, unless you like to live on the edge, which we don't recommend. When using the battery to operate the device, it's possible several notifications could be displayed. The unit will beep twice and display a message saying battery low, attach plug, when less than 10 minutes of battery power is remaining. When this happens, you need to attach the unit to an external power source or power down the unit and insert a charged battery. When the unit has insufficient power to produce oxygen, the unit will begin beeping and display a message saying battery empty, attach plug. The unit will then power down, and you will not be able to restart the unit until you connect it to an external power source or attach a charged battery. If the unit beeps twice and displays a message saying check battery, a battery error has occurred. You should plug the unit into an external power source and then disconnect and reconnect the battery, ensuring the battery is properly attached and latched onto the concentrator. If the problem persists, remove the battery and use an external power source, and then contact your local branch for additional assistance. If the issue you are experiencing was not covered in this video, please check out the other troubleshooting videos found on apria.com. If you'd like additional information on troubleshooting problems you're having with the Inogen G3, search for the Inogen G3 user manual on apria.com or contact your local branch for assistance.